Hello everyone, my name is Naina. Today we're gonna discuss on tell me something about yourself. So, as we all know, you only get one chance to create a first and best impression. In this video, we're gonna discuss about 8-step process which will help you to introduce yourself in any job interview. Second, I'm gonna tell you some rules. Third, we discuss some common mistakes and how to avoid them. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna discuss some tips which will help you to introduce yourself in an effective way. So, tell me about yourself. This question comes in a two different way. For example, walk me through your background or take us through your resume. We already mentioned everything in a resume, so what else they want us to tell? The two important things: your attitude towards work, what I can contribute to the company. So let's start with our first agenda. The first thing you keep in your mind is formal greeting. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time. Rules: smile, be confident, make good eye contact. The common mistakes you need to avoid: hey, hi, what's up. Second, fumbling between good morning or good afternoon. Next, name. I am Naina Goyal. My name is Naina Goyal. The rule here is smile, proud of your name, pronounce it correctly, full name always. My name is Naina Goyal. The common mistakes that you need to avoid is myself Naina Goyal, I am Miss Naina Goyal. You need to avoid this out. Next, place. I am from, or personally I think this is much better. I belong to Delhi and is blessed with several gardens and botanical houses. The rule here is mention one famous thing about your birthplace. Next, we have qualification. For example, I have completed a bachelor's in mass media degree with the specialization in public relations and corporate communications. So the rule here is start from the present one. There is no need to mention your 10th and 12th qualifications. And the second one is achievement oriented mini stories like your research projects, training programs or courses. If you have any, you can mention it. Next, additional qualification, outside courses, skills, awards. For example, I am proficient in German and Spanish. I have completed a 6 months digital marketing course from this university. I have learned Python and Java from Coursera for my new upcoming projects, something like that. Next, your strength or your adjectives. For example, I am punctual, self-motivated, hard-working person towards my career and life. You can use these kind of adjectives if you want something versatile, solution-oriented, optimistic, punctuality, self-motivated, honesty, creative, team player, and enjoy working with others. Goals, most important thing. It can be your short-term goals, it can be your long-term goals. For example, my short-term goal is to get a job in required company where I can utilize my skills and improve my career path. My long-term goal is to be in respectable position in that organization. And the last one, why are you applying for this job? Why do you want to work with our company? So you need to tell like this. Talk about your future plans and connect them to the company's goal. For example, I would be proud to work for the company with such a long story of leadership in the industry. When I read about your company, I found that my skills are matching with your requirements, where I can showcase my technical skills to contribute to the company growth much better and effective. So here are the tips that you have to keep in your mind. The first one is tell the interviewer that it is a pleasure to meet them with a smile and be sure to make eye contact. Keep your introduction short and concise. Focus on your qualification. Be prepared to follow up questions. And the last one, remember that manners matter a lot. So, the first greeting and the last thank you. So, yes, thank you so much and best of luck for your upcoming interviews. Thank you.